Today we are going to take you to two different parks located within minutes of each other in Chester County, Pennsylvania. Both these hikes offer views of the river. The first park we are going to visit is Upper Schuylkill Valley Park. This park runs along the river and offers amazing views. There are lots of nice places to sit and/or to fish from. You can hike the Schuylkill East Trail, which is a 2-mile trail that runs along the riverside. We enjoyed this trail because it was flat and offered nice views of the water. When we were done hiking the Schuylkill East Trail, we walked over to the Wildlife Center that is located in the Upper Schuylkill Valley Park. The Wildlife Center is home to various animals that have been injured and can no longer live in the wild. We filmed this pair of wolves which live right in the park. We enjoyed watching the pair of wolves, the donkeys, the vultures, the bald eagle and the great horned owl. The Wildlife Center seemed to be bringing lots of families to the park to check out the animals. There is no admission fee for the park or the Wildlife Center. We loved that you could sit by the river, take a hike and then tour the Wildlife Center all in the same park. Away from the other one. We are now at Black Rock Sanctuary. There is no admission charge to hike here. Black Rock Sanctuary is about 120 acres of forest, wetlands, and meadows. It offers 2 trails, the Meadow Trail and the Interpretive Trail. The Interpretive Trail was paved and took you to the river. It was a short little trail that would be perfect for families or for those who prefer a paved path. This park also featured a pollinator garden, which must be nice in the summertime. enjoyed it, or got some value from it, please hit subscribe. By subscribing you can be sure you will never miss one of our new videos. Thanks for your support.